Hey everyone, this is my nesting chopping boards, 10 at 1. Thank y'all for the fill. Copy the list. Go live. 8:33. Paste the list. Roll the dice. We need a 4 or higher. 8:33. We have a 7. 8:33. 10 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After the 6th time, there's still 10 items on the list. Miss Beth Perry is on the top. Miss Bree Henderson is on the bottom. We randomized 6 times. The dice calls for a 7. Last and final time, 8:33. Good luck, everyone. Miss Bree Henderson in spot 2 is the winner. Congrats, Bree. 10 items on the list. We randomized 7 times. The dice calls for a 7. And we are done. 8:34. Thanks, everyone.